the middle of like nowhere and going through this little channel at Boca Grande Key, you know, exploring because I haven't been here before, and I'm navigating with my chart plotter. Hey, my chart plotter, I got my chart and I'm going along and did not see this little freaking shit in the water. You see that? Yeah, that was wrapped around my prop. Fantastic. So what happened, and this is good for you to know, is that I'm going along and all of a sudden it was making a really nasty sound. So I put the boat in neutral and I looked at my depth and I'm thinking I couldn't possibly have hit anything. I mean, it didn't sound like I hit anything. It was a weird sound. And so I tried to put in gear real quick. It did it again. I pulled it back into neutral and I'm like, okay, something's really effed up here. I trimmed it up all the way and I look back there and I'm like, oh my God. So I ran to the front of the boat and tossed my anchor out because I'm in a narrow little channel. I'll show you on the chart. But like you see, there's reef over there and there's reef over my shoulder over there. And so I can't afford to drift into anything. Yeah, tossed the anchor out so that I wouldn't go anywhere. And I just spent about 20 minutes trying to get that shit out of my prop. So now I'm going to start it up and I'm going to stay anchored, but I'm going to put the boat in gear in forwards and reverse and just make sure I don't have any internal damage, in which case I would have to call for a tow. So hopefully I don't have to do that. And I don't know, now I'm like demotivated to keep going down this little channel, but it doesn't matter. That stuff was just like far enough underneath. It could have been anywhere. But anyway, there you have it.